quick tips on if your loved one is being exploited. Is there a new best friend in their life or a new love interest? That is usually a very significant identifier of a potential exploiter. And then is that love interest becoming more in control of our person? Meaning they are present for conversations that you might have with that person, like being on the phone, on speakerphone. They're present in the room when you talk to your person. They want to know what your person's schedule is. They schedule all the doctor's appointments. Like they kind of take over. We find that a lot with exploiters. They also isolate our person. They may become in charge of their phone. The phone number may change. There's various ways that this person can kind of control and manage what's happening with that person. We also find that there is often a delusion that has become fixed, like our person thinks that you have stolen from them. And that was never the issue before. Like they trusted you, they shared financial information. Now all of a sudden there's been a shift. Now they don't really trust you. They won't disclose financial information to you. Maybe they change banks. Maybe you start to see expenditures going out that are unexplainable. If you see gift card purchases or you see expenditures to like Western Union or large ATM withdrawals, those are all indicators that an exploiter is operating behind the scenes to get untraceable funds. If there is this lie, this mantra that's been repeated in our victim's mind again and again, like your kids are trying to steal from you, they want to put you in the nursing home. Those types of fixations on some kind of not true statement is a typical thing that exploiters do. So pay attention to that. That's a big indicator. And then finally, big changes to estate plans. So if all of a sudden your exploiter has taken them to see a new attorney, that should be a red flag also. Also, check the public records, see if there's been any change in ownership or adding someone to a deed. That should be available just in the public records. You can probably look in your state and find your county and then look up the county to see if there's been a deed recorded. And that can sometimes be a really big red flag that assets are being moved to this new exploiter. What should you do? Call the police, call the Adult Protective Services Elder Abuse Hotline. If that's if you're not getting success there, find an elder law attorney who specializes in exploitation and make an appointment, because once the money's gone, it's very difficult to get it back. So act quickly. All right, I'm Shannon.